Cordilleras, the registration of new and delisted voters continues. The COMELEC sees an increase in the number of qualified voters in the region. Jonathan Llanes reports.
Satisfactory. South Commission on Elections Cordillera Regional Director Attorney Julius Torres described the ongoing registration for new voters, transferees, and even those earlier delisted from the official voters list. Torres said that although the Cordillera has the least number of voters, reaching 850,000, the number of registrants may increase but would not reach the 1 million mark, particularly for the upcoming midterm elections.
We'll be continuing to register, and also those who like to apply for registration or transfer, pwede pa silang pumunta sa office natin hanggang October 31. So ongoing yan, actually including Saturdays, open po ang COMELEC offices natin on Saturdays, so they could still go to our offices even on Saturdays. So I think there's more time, marami namang oras para sa ating mga kababayan na magparehistro.
So October 26 will be declared as a holiday. Will you be open?
Bukas pa rin ang office natin kahit holiday. May standing orders naman ng ating field offices na kahit holiday ay bukas ang opisina para magparehistro. Unless of course mabigyan tayo ng order na mag-holiday din tayo. But until such time na may wala pang order na we will also observe the holiday on the 26th, bukas ang ating opisina.
Meanwhile, journalists from Cordilleras will be informed on the process of the absentee voting, wherein this may follow the absentee voting of policemen and soldiers of the armed forces. Torres said that journalists now will be given the opportunity to exercise their right prior to the conduct of the 2013 midterm elections in May.
2 to 3 weeks before the scheduled elections. Hindi naman yan nakakaputo ng mas maaga. So, ng mas maaga ng 2 months probably. Pero the earliest siguro niyan is about 1 month before the elections. And kung susundin din yung provisions or yung guidelines sa AFP and PNP, most probably, applicable din ang imboboto lang ng ating media ay sa national positions din. Most probably.
From the city of Baguio and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.